Hi, it's Nick at Jordanbikes here to show you this lovely Honda Fireblade Black Special. Quite a rare model these, they come with a few cheeky extras over the standard and we'll go over those in a minute. So the basic size, a 2016 16 plate. It's done just 7,419 miles from new. And this Black Special does come with these Gilles Black Edition levers, double bubble tinted screen, the Galfer wavy discs, a seat cowl, a carbon look rear hugger, and does the other one have a black swinging arm? Oh fine, that's it then. Those are what it comes with. Beautiful clean bike, no traction, no ABS, just you and the open road and that throttle. So a purist sports bike. Right then, so we'll show you the bike a little bit closer up. You can see just how clean it is in the nooks and crannies. If you've been a previous customer, you'll know we are fussy people. We don't sell rubbish, and this one is no exception. It's beautiful condition. While you're at that end, I'll give it a quick start so you can have a look and a listen of it. Standard exhaust, so they're nice and growly but not too throaty. There you go. These have got the fully adjustable shower forks that you can see there, and the LCD dashboard. Really easy to read. Gear indicator, rev counter, your speed, and the other bits and bobs. So that's the bike. If you fancy it, give us a call, drop us a message, email us. There's so many ways you can contact us now, but you know where we are. Get in touch. Thank you very much for watching. Cheers. Hi, I'm Nick, and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.